Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we would be discussing about Bosch washing machine door lock problem and troubleshooting. The Bosch washing machine door lock problem can be caused by several factors, including a faulty door lock, a blockage in the door mechanism, or a power failure during the wash process. If the door lock symbol is flashing, it may indicate that door is not properly closed or there is a problem with the door lock. To fix this issue, follow these steps. 1. First check if the door is properly closed and try starting the cycle again. If the door is properly closed but the symbol is still flashing, it's possible that there is a fault with the door lock or the wiring between the interlock and the PCB. In this case, professional repair may be required by a trained and qualified Bosch engineer. 2. If there is a blockage in the door mechanism, you can try cleaning out the detergent drawer and removing any small objects locked within the gaps and pocket to avoid problems down the line. If there is power failure during the wash process, you may need to diagnose and repair the underlying problem that caused the interruption to prevent aborted programs or rinse cycle stopping halfway through. 3. The child lock activation. If the washing machine door is not opening, it may be caused by the child lock, which you will need to deactivate. 4. Clothes caught between the door and the housing. A problem with the door both opening and closing properly can be caused by clothes, especially smaller garments such as socks. These can get jammed between the door and the washing machine housing. Ensure that there are no clothes caught between the door and the housing before starting a cycle. 5. The washing machine drum is overloaded. An overloaded washing machine drum can also prevent the door from being closed properly. You may need to take some clothes out of the drum prior to starting a program. Even after doing all these, if you are still not able to find a solution for it, it's better that you contact Bosch customer service.